Hey guys, we're back with another food review. I'm here with Zeggy, Weggy, Jaggy. We went to Subway and we have a sub. My sub has got tomatoes, pickles, banana pepper, shredded cheese, lettuce, oil, vinegar, and one line of mayo. I don't like mayo. What does your sub have? And I got plain bread.
I got ham, lettuce, cheese bread.
Gotta show the camera.
Got the ham, lettuce, cheese bread, pickle, banana pepper, the hot pepper,
Jalapenos.
jalapeno, and American cheese.
I have a Dr. Pepper and some salt and vinegar chips.
I got Dr. Pepper, Sprite, and Coca-Cola.
What kind of chips you have?
The chips I tried to review. Go check that video out. Wait, that's back.
Okay, 3,
5.
2, 1.
Plus.
It's missing something. I usually get bacon, but I forgot to get bacon. That's what it's missing. Okay, so honestly, this is my usual sub, so 10 out of 10. What's your rating?
Give it an 8 out of 10. These jalapenos are hot.
They
making my top lip burn.
just take them out. I'm not gonna could review these chips, but I always get them. So you know, like 10 out of. Salt and vinegar 8, 10 out of 10, but it's a cool 8. Alright, bye guys. Until next time.